on, shit. What you got going today? Got a C8 in today. Here for some custom corleone forge wheels. Concave with a floating cap. Color match to the vehicle. As you can see, it got the gloss black outer barrel and the red inner barrel to match the red lettering. That looks good, buddy. Getting the white line. You got the car wrapped? It's good, man. I like it. It's real nice. I like the color combination though. It's real dope. Yeah. Alright. Back at it, my boy CG Forge. What you got, cousin? Balance.
Got that amber alert.
Yeah, the amber alert going crazy. We gotta check it out. Got the wheels and tires mounted up. Customer's ready to hit the road. Custom corleone forge, 3-piece concave forging. Shizzle, you gonna ride it out? Alrighty, boss man, ready to go. Paparazzi up in this motherfucker. We got the whole paparazzi crew. Shizzle 817, make sure y'all tune into my boy Shizzle. You know what I'm saying?